Right, so we are starting our flying lap on the main straight. I think we're in 4th gear. Yeah, we're in 4th gear. Up to 5th, changing at 8,000 revs, 180 kilometers an hour, 190. We're going to brake just before the 100. Heading into turn 3. In my head I want to do this flat. Go on, turn you bugger. Let's get you around here. Had to have a little lift just because I was off position compared to where I wanted to be. Let's nip down the inside. Nice and wide. Back through here as it tightens up. Come on, there we go. Let's catch up this red Porsche. The dust in here makes me laugh. Oh no, these boys end up pulling away too much. I'm in the same position as last lap, where we got to the straight and then they just disappear. Right. See whether we can get a little bit more time out. We need to be at 227. Don't know if that's a good sector or not. Oh, a little bit of lock it up. Oh, I could have definitely carried more speed. Look how flat it is through there. Maybe I needed to go down another gear. Go on. Trying to push this thing to its limit. A little bit of locking up on the front. Actually, to be honest, this thing's so well balanced. It's a great little car. I might have to get one of these for training. I do quite a bit of coaching in the Clio, but as a rear wheel drive, this thing's brilliant. Oh, miss again. Let's get it. Come on, let's get it turned. Oh, it's a shame. That Porsche. I think we're fairly evenly matched with the Porsche. He's got to be calling it down. That's way too wide for him. Going into the final corner. All turned in a tad early. There we go. God, I really want to overtake this dude. I reckon we can get him through the next section. Maybe not. They're far too fast. There we go. Oh, that's my best. The 224.9. I do love throwing small cars around. You sometimes get a bit more enjoyment out of it than some of the faster cars. Here we go. This is our opportunity to get him slow through this section. Come on. Nah, he's let us pass there.